Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete permanently your Instagram account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. When you're on your feed, you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your small profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You click on them and then you want to launch the first option in the menu, which is settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy and then you want to click on account center. When you're at account center, you want to focus on the second part of the menu, which is the lower screen, account settings. You want to click on personal details. When you're at personal details, here you will find the information that we actually talk about. You will have the option to check the account ownership and to control the actual ownership of the account, meaning that deactivation and deletion will be here. I want to make sure that you completely understand how deactivation or deletion works. When you delete your account, your data will be lost, will be gone, and you will have up to 30 days to go back, log in, and essentially reopen your account. If you don't do so, your account will be gone, will be deleted permanently. And all the data, of course, will be lost. The second option is deactivation. This simply means that your account will be deactivated, your account will not be searchable, people will not be able to find your account, your content will be hidden, and essentially how you reactivate the account, well, you simply log in back again. This is how simple as it is works. I believe that, if you're not sure what you really want to do with your account, I think it's better option just to, at this point, either make it private, which means that your account will still be visible and your content still will be visible for your followers, people who approved to follow you, right? But if you really want to hide yourself and hide the content, but you're not sure you want to delete the account, deactivation, in my opinion, of course, sounds like the better option. But surely, if you want to leave the social media in general, probably you really want to delete your account. Just keep in mind that after you click delete, you have 30 days to go back and essentially recover your account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.